Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to public story on Instagram. We'll walk through the simple steps to ensure your content reaches a wider audience. You'll learn how to adjust your privacy settings so your stories are visible to everyone, not just your followers. This is perfect for creators or businesses looking to maximize their reach and engagement. Let's dive in and get your stories seen by more people. Ready to share your story? First, open your Instagram app and tap the plus icon at the top or swipe right from your feed. Choose the story option. Now, select the photo or video you want to share from your gallery. Once you've added any filters or stickers, simply tap the Your Story button at the bottom. This action automatically shares your content publicly with all your followers. To fine-tune who sees your stories, navigate to your profile, then tap the three lines for the menu and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Who can see your content and tap Story. Here, you can choose Public to make your stories visible to everyone on Instagram. You can also hide your story from specific people or create a close friends list for private sharing. It's all about control. To make your public stories truly shine, incorporate interactive elements like polls, quizzes, or question stickers. These encourage viewers to engage directly with your content. Don't forget to add relevant hashtags and location tags to increase discoverability beyond your immediate followers. This helps new audiences find your stories. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy story sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.